The latest release for Dassault Systèmes 3D Experience platform delivers an elegant, powerful business experience environment. With role-based functionality, easily access apps and services users need with one click. The new 3D Experience Marketplace offers an ecosystem of qualified industrial service providers for operations like 3D printing, and self-defined 3D dashboards streamline collaboration for both users and management across industries to create innovative consumer experiences. The R2019x release from Dassault Systèmes ENOVIA brand introduces Plm Collaboration Services for Catia V5 and SolidWorks Desktop, along with several new roles and capabilities. Plm Collaboration Services for Catia V5 and SolidWorks Desktop provides immediate access to the 3D Experience platform for simulation, manufacturing, collaboration, and unique additional engineering capabilities. Designers have full access to 3D Experience apps from within their CAD environment, where they can readily participate in enterprise processes, including task management, change management, IP search, and discovery. New apps for Issue 3D Review and Issue Management combine comprehensive enterprise issues management with a best-in-class design review experience, displaying issues directly in the context of the 3D product design. The mobile and web experience helps teams to quickly reveal, understand, and resolve issues from anywhere at any time. Significantly reduce product development complexity and time using a single, shared, model-based product definition. Product release engineers can refine the definition in preparation for release, all in a powerful web experience that lets them work anywhere and on any device. The software engineer role exposes essential software IP to the configured product definition to maximize coordination and collaboration among functional teams. This provides full visibility and process consistency, streamlining development operations to ensure successful planning, release, and delivery. The project planner role provides a planning for all experience for individuals and teams, with the tools to plan activity and drive innovation in a social and collaborative way. The web experience is intuitive and simple and uses continuous optimization to meet key milestones by leveraging the powerful knowledge-based capabilities of the 3D Experience platform. ENOVIA R2019x offers customers of every size compelling reasons to adopt Dassault Systèmes 3D Experience platform. Available on-premise and in public or private cloud, Dassault Systèmes 3D Experience platform is a business experience platform that enables our clients to create delightful experiences from design to point of sale for their ultimate customers or consumers. For more information, please explore our website or contact sales for a personal demo.